to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing day. So I thought about starting the DIY room decor for fall because whether it's fall or not, the YouTube series have already started, so I thought about posting my videos as well. So yeah, go watch the video, like the video if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel because that will mean a lot to me. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel only if you like my videos. So I'm doing nothing in this portion. I have a regular cardboard box and it is full of like my old paint and brushes, and I've also placed a old pot which is full of cones which I have colored. This is also a regular white cardboard box. This was white, and if you don't have a white cardboard box, just spray paint the brown ones or just use acrylic color. So I placed the cardboard box upside down, basically using it as a platform. I took a glass bottle. This is from Kevinters. You can use any type of glass bottle. Those milk bottles will also do. And I'm keeping it on the platform. So I am placing some wheat straw in the glass bottle because, you know, it gives the vibe of the dry weather. I have collected some branches. These are really dry branches, so I also colored them with the brown acrylic paint just to enhance their, you know, fall dark color. Next, I am taking a tissue paper and I am folding it from the middle, and then I am placing another folded tissue on the top of that. Then we are going to make a paper fan with these two, basically folding it at the front and then at the back. And if you don't know what's a paper fan, then wow, I'm so proud of you. But I think that everyone knows how to make a paper fan. Like, even if you guys don't like art and craft, I think everyone knows how to make a paper fan. Then you have to staple it from the middle. I couldn't find my stapler at that moment, so I have tied a knot at the middle with the wool. Then you have to give it a oval cut on both of the sides. After you're done with the cutting portion, this is the fun part. You will have to slowly open up the fan portion, just the way I'm doing in the video. And please be a little bit careful because this is tissue paper. If you pull it too hard, it might rip. Remember, you have taken 2 tissue papers which were folded. Basically, this flower has 4 layers, so you will have to open the 4 layers slowly. So after you're done opening all the layers, you will get something like this. Then I have taken one of those colored branches and I've attached it to the flower with the help of a clear tape. Okay, so I have made 2 of these flowers, and then I took this white vase. Actually, it was a cup syrup bottle. I have colored it white in one of my old DIYs, and I am placing the flowers inside this vase. Just to add a little bit of fall rustic vibe, I am adding this coconut rope, and I'm going to tie it around the neck portion of this vase. So this is a DIY notebook. I will link a video in the description below, and I think this notebook goes really good with the white going on at the front. So I think it really enhances the white flowers, white vase, white platform. Lastly, I am just adding a pine cone.
And I can't wait so we can break apart the